Hello once again and welcome to economics class. Today we're looking at the measurement of the elasticity of supply. Do not forget that these tutorials, these videos, these lessons are brought to you for free by the O3 Schools JAMB CBT practice app. All right, we heard that there are some unscrupulous elements that are selling our videos for 10,000 naira for you to access them. Okay, please, they are completely free to access. Okay, on YouTube, free to access, on Facebook, free to access, on TikTok, free to accept. All right, so please do not allow anybody deceive you into paying money to access our videos. If you have already paid, okay, take it that you have blessed someone's life. All right, so let us see a JAMB past question from the O3 Schools JAMB app. Okay, this is a 2003 question, number 11. It is being displayed on your screen right now. It says price elasticity of supply is a ratio of the change in A says quantity supplied to the change in demand. B says original quantity to a change in new quantity. C says quantity supplied to change in price. D says price to change in quantity supplied. Okay, so we're going to come back to this question as well as many more, all right, at the end of the class and not before, because at O3 Schools we believe in giving you value first. All right, and after I've given you value, we have taught you, all right, answering questions will be the list of your problem, and you will see after the end of this class. So please ensure you download the O3 School JAMB app. Download it on your phone. The app has all the past questions that you need for your exam for all the subjects under the practice for UTME section. All right, likewise, the app has a couple of other amazing features like the classroom feature with JAMB syllabus, as well as lecture notes structured according to that JAMB syllabus. Likewise, there's the question search feature that enables you to search for questions according to topic, and all the questions that JAMB has set under that topic will come out for you to answer. Is that not lovely? What's more, there's a mock challenge on the application every Saturday. Okay, you know, for JAMB exam, you need to be in the competitive mode. For some students, they have left school for a while. For some students, they have not even been full, they were not well taught in their schools, okay? And that's why a lot of people appreciate our lesson, appreciate our tutorials. And thank you for all of those of you who are sharing these videos, who are liking and who are subscribing, all right? So the app, in that mock challenge, all students that are writing JAMB come to the app every Saturday by 10 a.m. to compete, okay, to win amazing prizes, as well as get used to JAMB past questions, get used to JAMB likely exam question, as well as familiarize themselves with how JAMB set that question. Then, of course, after the end of each mock exam, you'll see your result released just like JAMB. So you'll not be scared when they say JAMB don't release the results. All right. So please get the app. All right. Activation fee for all of this feature you are seeing on the screen is less than the price of rice and chicken in a good restaurant. So do not be stingy to yourself. Okay. This is your future we are talking about. So please do not be stingy. Get the activation price and activate the app. All right, so let us go to the board now today as we look at the measurement of the elasticity of supply. So now I want to measure, okay, all right, I know what elasticity of supply tells us is what shows us the degree of responsiveness, okay, of quantity supply to change in price. So we want to really calculate, okay, that degree of response. We want to measure, we want to attach a value, okay, to the elasticity of supply. Now, elasticity of supply, in very, very plain terms, okay, ES, we call it what? ES, elasticity of supply, ES, is percentage, it's calculated mathematically as percentage change in quantity supplied, okay, all over percentage change in price. Okay, so this is how to calculate what elasticity of supply. Okay, percentage change in quantity supplied all over percentage change in price. Okay, so you may want to ask, what is percentage change? Or you can write it like this: ES now is equals to percentage change. Okay, using data to represent change in quantity supply. I could say QS all over percentage change in what? In price. Okay, so now what is percentage change in quantity supply? Say percentage change in quantity supplied is equals to new quantity, okay, representing quantity with QTY, new quantity minus old quantity, okay, all over old quantity, then times 100%. Okay, that is what percentage change in quantity supplied. The new quantity minus the old quantity all over the old quantity times 100%. That is beef. That will be for this top here, this percentage change in quantity supply. So if you calculate this, okay, and then you calculate percentage change in price, which is also, that means that percentage change in price also be what now? New price, okay, minus old price all over what? Old price, then times what? 100%. Okay, that means that if you calculate the percentage change in quantity supplied using this formula, using this particular formula, and then you use calculate percentage change in price using this particular formula. Okay, if you divide the percentage change, this value you got from here over the value you get from here, okay, you are going to have what? The elasticity of supply. Very easy as what? As A, B, C. Okay, so please make sure you stick to the end of the class because there will be an assignment at the end of the class. All right, and also it will be very, very bad, very, very bad of you that you are watching this video right now and you are not clicking on that share button. Please pause this video, click on the share button. Okay, if you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, if you're on TikTok, click on the share button. Share to your friends, share to your Facebook, share to your WhatsApp, to your class group, okay, to your lecture group. Share it. Let other students be able to access it, okay? Because accessing it what will boost their chance of what? Of success also. Please do not pass alone. I beg. Should I need that to beg you? Please click on the share button. All right? Share, like, and drop comments. The answer to your assignment, please drop it on the comment section and I will see it and respond to it. All right, so let's make it very, very interactive. Now let us see. So this is what the elasticity of supply, percentage change in quantity supplied all over percentage change in price. And we'll say that the percentage change in quantity supplied is new quantity minus old quantity over old quantity times 100%, while percentage change in price is new price minus old price over old price times 100%. Now we need to learn how to apply this formula to calculations. Okay, there's also a shorter formula that we can use to calculate the elasticity of supply. Okay, and that one is very easy. That shortcut formula, we are going to use it also. Okay, I'm going to use it also, that ES is change in quantity supplied over change in price, then times price that over what? Over quantity supplied. Okay, now this one is what? Change in quantity supplied. This one is what? Change in price. Okay, this one is old price. This one is what? Old quantity supplied. Please take note of it. Okay, so this one is what? Change in quantity supplied. This one is change in price times old price over what? Over old quantity supply. If you use this formula, all right, you don't need to go through all this stress of what? Of looking for percentage change in quantity supplied first, then looking for percentage in price, then before calculating the elasticity of supply. All together. All right, so I'm going to use this formula. I'm going to use this formula first. So I'm going to use this formula first, and then we'll now use this formula after to further buttress our points. All right, so let us go to the application, to the O3 School JAMB app. The app will help you. We definitely will help you to succeed. So please get the app immediately. You have no time. Time is something you do not have the luxury of, okay? So if you do not start on time, you'll be doing yourself, okay? So please start on time, all right? So let us see the first question here. It says, 2003, number 11, say the price elasticity of supply is the ratio of the change in, okay? A says quantity supplied to the change in demand. Is it demand? No, it's change in price. Okay, change in quantity supplied to the change in price. So A is very wrong. B says original quantity to a change in new quantity, which is very, very, very wrong. Okay. C says change in quantity supplied to change in price. Is that correct? Very, very correct. D says price to the change in quantity supply. It's not price over quantity supply. It's quantity supply over price. That's why option C is correct and option D is wrong. All right, so let us see another question. This is a 2011 question, number 12. 2011 question, number 12. All right, and okay, let me roll here in case of space. Now, we're giving, it's been showing on your screen right now. We're giving the price, okay? And they are giving what? Quantity. All right, say from the table, the price elasticity of supply is A says 4, B says 25, C says 1, D says 2. Okay, so let us calculate. So we're given the table, we're given price. Okay, then we're given what? Quantity. Okay, this one is in bags. Price is in, okay, they did not give the unit. When price was 1 naira, the quantity supplied was 60. When price was 2 naira, quantity supply was 120. So let us answer this question first. We'll come back to the other ones. Now, so you know that this is a JAMB pass question. This is a JAMB pass question. So we are actually treating JAMB pass questions in this class. So it makes you to know that our classes are a bomb. Please do not miss any of our episodes. Okay, and do not forget to keep sharing and liking and commenting. All right. So now let us go. This is price. This is what quantity. Now we already know that elasticity of supply is percentage change in quantity supplied over percentage change in what? In price. Okay, we know this, Abi. So let us keep that at the back of our mind. Now let us proceed. Now, what is percentage change in quantity supply? We know that percentage change in quantity supply is what? Is new quantity minus what? Old quantity all over what now? Old quantity. Okay, then times what? Times 100%. Okay, we know this. So now let's also calculate what the percentage change in quantity supplied. If we want to calculate it, what's our new quantity? All right, this one was what was the old quantity. When price was 1 naira, quantity supply was 60. When price was 2 naira, quantity supply was 120. This one is what is the new quantity. This one is the old quantity. Okay, you get it now. This one is the new quantity. This one is the initial one. This one is the final one. So this one is the new one. Okay, so I'm going to have what now? 120 minus what? What is the old quantity? 60. All over, what is the old quantity? 60. All right, then times what? 100%. All together. So 120 minus 60 will give us what? 120 minus 60 is 60. Then over 60 times 100%. 60 will cancel 60. Our percentage change in quantity supplied will be what? Will be 100%. Okay, let's take note of that. You understand how? So I'll do the calculation. New quantity, which is what? 120 minus old quantity, which is 60. Then over old quantity, which is what? 60 times 100%. Okay, now new quantity is 120, old quantity is 60. 120 minus 60 is what? Is 60. Then all over what? 60 again, okay, times 100%. So 60 will cancel 60. What I have left is what? Is 100%. So the percentage change in what? In quantity supplied is 100%, because obviously you can already see from here, from 60 to 120, that's what the 100% what percentage change in quantity was supplied. Now, let us now look at the percentage change in price. Percentage change in price, which is what now? New price minus what? Old price all over what? Old price, then times 100%. Okay, please take note of that there. But let me write it out well before someone will say, what is this we're redoing? Okay, percentage change in price is what? New price minus what? Old price over what? Old price, then times 100%. So let us go. What is the new price? New price is what? Is 2 naira. Okay, that's what? 2 minus what? What is old price? 1 naira. All over what? 1 naira, then times what? 100%. Okay, 2 minus 1 is what? 1 over 1, then times what? 100. 1 will cancel 1. Okay, to still give you 1. So 1 times 100 is what? 100%. Okay, so as simple as ABC. Now, what is now our elasticity of supply? Our elasticity of supply says what? Percentage change in quantity supply. What is the percentage change in quantity supply here? We calculate it to be what? To be 100. What is that is 100%. What's the percentage change in price? We calculated here to also be what? 100%. 100 will cancel 100, percentage will cancel percentage. What will be left is what? Is 1. That means that what? ES is what? Is 1. All right. And if elasticity of supply is 1, it means that what? It is what? Unit or unitary. Okay. Elastic supply. Okay, when elasticity of supply is what is equal to 1, it means that what is a unit or unitary what? Elastic what? Supply. Okay, so it's as simple as ABC. So if we want to use our formula, our shortcut formula, all right, to answer this question, we can also use it. Okay, let us apply the shortcut formula. Please, if I clean any part that you have not written, you can take the video slightly back and copy. Now, Let us use our formula. Okay, we say that change in quantity supply over what? Change in price, then times old price over what? Over old quantity. Okay, what is the change in quantity supply? We can just use this formula straight and we'll get our answer out of here. What's our change in quantity supply? It's from what? New quantity minus what? Old quantity. That is what? 120 minus what? 60. What's our change in price? This one is not percentage change. Oh, this is what? Change in quantity supplied. Just change, not percentage change. If you're using this formula, you're not calculating percentage change. Nothing has to do, it has nothing to do with percentage here. All right? Please take note of that. In fact, this formula was gotten from what? From the initial formula, all right? Through a series of what? Of breakdown. Okay? But we don't have the luxury of time to be showing all of those workings. If not, I'll have loved, really love to show you. So let us go. 120 minus 60. What is the change percent? What is the change in price rather? Is from what? 2 naira to 1 naira. Sorry, from 1 naira to 2 naira. And this is what? New price minus old price. That is 2 minus 1. Then times what? What is your old price? Old price is what? Old price is 1. What is your old quantity supply? Is what? Is 60. So let's go. 120 minus 60 is what? Is 60. Okay. Then 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. Then times 1 over 60. 60, we cancel 60. Give it 1 year, 1 year. 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. Our ES is what? Is 1. Very straightforward. You get? So instead of going through all of this method, we can use this formula and get our answer straight. How many of you love this second method? If you love the second method, type Master T below. Okay? Type it in the comment section. Type Master T in the comment section. Say Master T, thank you. Okay, so you can easily use this formula to what? To get what your answer without what? Any fear or favor. So let us see another question. The assignment question I'm going to give to you is going to be tricky. All right? It's going to be tricky. I want to confuse you a little. I'll be happy if both of you catch the trick in the question and answer it correctly. All right? So let us see another question from the app. Okay, so we're having 2014, number 14. 2014, number 14. Okay, so this one also are given a table, given price in naira. Okay, they are given quantity supplied. Okay, let me say in units. Okay, then they're given when price was 8 naira, quantity supply was 20. When price was 10 naira, quantity supply was 24. All right, so we are told to calculate what the price elasticity of supply. Okay, very easy as ABC. So the same approach, the same method, how we did it is what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm going to start it, I'm going to complete it. In fact, I'm not using okay. All right, let me just solve this question so that I can give you the assignment. So let us do this. You know that what are your ES, that's elasticity of supply, is what now? Percentage change in quantity supplied, percentage change in quantity supplied, all over what now? Percentage change in price. Okay, so please, I want you to use this formula to solve the question. But I do not want to make this video very long. All right, so use this formula, solve the question in your note. Please solve the question and get the answer in your note. Okay, I'm going to use the shortcut formula to get the answer and leave here immediately. All right, so let us go. You know that what change in quantity supply over change in price, then times old price or what? Old quantity supplied. Okay, so what's our change in quantity supplied? So from 24 to 20, sorry, from 20 to 24, new minus old, 24 minus what? 20. What's our change in price? From 8 to 10, 10 new minus old, 10 minus 8, then times what? What's your old price? Old price also was 8 naira. What's your old quantity supply? Your old quantity supply is what? Is 20. All right, so we can do that. 24 minus 20 is what? Is 4. 10 minus 8 is what? Is 2. Abi? Then times 8 over 20. 2 year 1, 2 year 4. Abi? 4 year 1, 4 year 5. That is what? 4 over 5. Okay, and what is 4 over 5 in decimal? Okay, 5 cannot go into 4. So if you add 0, okay, that will give us 0.8. Okay, 0.8 is what? Is 4 over 5. How do you know? 0.8 in fraction is what? Is 8 over 10. If you reduce, here's 4, here's 5. So that's 0.8. So please use this formula, okay, to get the answer, to get 0.8. Get the answer. Make sure you get the answer. Show the workings and get the answer very well. Okay, let us see the option. Option A says 0.80. Okay. Option B says 2.00. Option C says 1.25. Option D says 0.50. Somebody will come and say the answer is not there. Okay. One way we say the answer is not there, and the answer is there. Okay. So if I say 0.8, it's same as what? 0.80 is same as 0.8000000000. All these zero that are useless are all useless. Okay, so it does not affect the answer. So option A is very, very correct. Very, very correct. So now to give you an assignment, please you write it out. Okay, I'm going to what? Make this part fast so that I can write the question on the board. Okay, in fact, there's no need to write it, make it fast. Okay, just see the assignment. All right, so welcome back. This is what the assignment. At a price of 300 naira, the quantity supplied of a particular commodity was 100,000 units. At a price of 300 naira, quantity supplied was 100,000 units. When the price decreased by 100 naira, the quantity supply fell to 80,000 units. Calculate the coefficient of price elasticity of supply. So please ensure you drop the answer in the comment section, and make sure you are sharing. Share this. If you have not shared video until now, please do that now. Click on the share button, like the video, drop comments in the comment section, and of course, download the application, activate it, and start now. I know what I'm telling you. Millions of students have gotten admission through us, and your case will not be different in the name of Jesus. All right. So please start now and get ahead of others. See you in the next class. Thank you for